So guys, today I'm right here at my mom's house. Welcome to my channel first. I'm right here at my mom's house in the backyard. So we just planted our corn all over the place. So we're gonna pick it up today. So we'll see what we get from here. Got all the corns. Ooh. Belle, can you take video of me while I'm picking up the corn?
Oh no.
Do it right, okay?
Aray.
Let's see what we get from here.
Why are they wet? They took a shower, but you put them outside. Why?
Look, Belle, come here. Show on camera.
Corn.
Look, corn.
No, doggo.
Open the bag.
Aray. Pum mo lang dyan.
Yeah, that's compost.
Diyos ko. Can I take one? I want to take that one down. Can I take that one down? Can I?
Wait.
Can I take the ones in there? Let me try.
Go ahead.
Which one?
Right there, the one that you said. The one next to the thing.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Paano ba ito gawain?
Just go over there, because I can't really. Next year we're gonna plant full of plants over here on the side. I'm gonna put on the back. Yes, I already talked to your tita.
Oh wow.
Hurry up, show it. What you got?
I'm a slow person, Mom.
Show what you got.
I got corn. Uh-oh.
Let me see. Show it to the camera. Show it to the camera, right? There you go. Okay, hold it to the camera. I'll go inside and pick it. Oh, there's two in this one.
Doggo, stop it. Mom, it looks like you're literally killing the whole thing.
What's going on, Ricky?
I don't like plants like this. It's always
Come
taller
here.
than my actual height.
Open it. Okay. Stop mo muna. We'll show them what we got later on. Did you stop it?
Oh no. Can I do it?
Stop it. We'll show. So guys, we finished harvesting the corn from my mom's house. So we only took this one like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So there's 10. There's 10 of them, and then I got some Thai pepper. Well, I'm the one who planted them too. So, and then I got some of this chili. But look, the chili that this one, it didn't really grow good. Oh, I harvested some last time, but not as much the one that I have right here in the house, because I haven't been really fertilizing it. Like, I just fertilized it once after I planted it, and my daughter, she wants some of the onions so that she could put it on her egg with tomato and onions. She likes those, so we picked up some of the onions too, and I told her she could use the green leaves also if she made that one. So over there, not much. I have some sweet potato over there, and there's more corn coming up. So before, when I haven't moved from my mom before, that's where I used to garden. So I used to garden in the ground. So that's why right now, gardening in a container, that was my first time this year, because before I used to garden in a container. And I told already that my mom and my sister that next year I'm gonna I'm gonna do gardening over there on the container also. So in ground and container. So more plants, more harvest. So yeah. I don't know. Maybe I'll boil them, or maybe that's a lot. I'll boil them, or maybe I'll put it on a soup. I'll make some soup, but it's too hot to be making soup. We'll see. And this Thai chili pepper, I'll bring it to my coworker. I'll bring it. Miss B, here's your another chili. She'll be happy tomorrow again. Okay, guys. So hopefully you like my video. Thank you and see you again next time.